Hello there, this is Samwel Limo, your new Texas Realtor. I will be serving you from our home office here in DFW. That is Dallas Fort Worth. It's my pleasure to say I will be assisting you buying your new home. That's the American dream. I'm here to make it happen. So, after 17 years of sharing these keys to my customers buying vehicles, it's my opportunity to be able to assist you buying your new home. I want to thank all my previous customers for your loyalty and for giving me an opportunity to meet your vehicle needs over the years. Some of you have bought vehicles, over 10 vehicles from me, and that takes a lot of trust. It takes a lot of relationship that we've built over the years. I appreciate it and I say thank you. So, as we get into buying the new American dream, for some of you who don't know me, my name is Samwel Limo. I was born in Kenya and I went to school in Marshall, Minnesota, southwest state of Marshall, Minnesota. I majored in marketing and a minor in computer science. Over the years, I've been selling cars for 17 years, and it has been a pleasure to see people get their keys and have transportation to be able to go about and fulfill their dreams. So, as we get into buying a new home, I moved to Texas back in 2005, and I was blessed to be able to buy my house in 2009. What it took for me to be able to do that was because of two people that made a difference. One was the owner of the dealership that taught me about paying yourself first. This is 401k. This played a big role as far as me being able to save for my down payment. My second person was a friend of mine that he's a realtor that guided me through the process. He felt like he had to help me. The Limo family deserved to start building generational wealth. And that's what he did for me. And I will be forever grateful. So I want to do the same for you. I want to have that kind of impact to help you start building your generational wealth. So we're going to do the basics. The basics is understanding your finances or your budgeting, and also understanding the financing that's available for you. So I'm going to share a screen right here to talk about the finances that are available for you. All right, so let's look at this screen right here. So the theme of this journey is come get your keys, because me and you are going to get those keys. So the main financing available, there are three main financing options available out there for you. There's conventional loans, there's FHA loans, and there's VA loans. We're going to start with the conventional loans. So conventional loans usually requires great credit, and you're looking at, as far as the house ratio, which is how much money you need to spend on your house payment is 28%. So I'm using an example here. If you're making $5,000 gross income, your principal, your interest, your taxes, your insurance should be about $1,400. On the same note, as far as your debt ratio, which includes your mortgage, your car payments, your credit card, your student loans, based on this scenario, you need to spend about $1,800 total. So these conventional loans requires about 20% down if you wanted to avoid PMI. PMI is basically your private mortgage insurance. So if you pay less than 20% down, you will need to pay that PMI. So that is the conventional loans. Let's go to the second one, which is the FHA loans. FHA loans are basically the most popular one because it requires less down payment, and also it requires a little less credit score. So as far as you can see right here, the housing ratio is about 31%. So they give you a little bit more to spend on your house. So in the same example, 5,000 gross income is basically before your taxes. So you'll be able to spend about $1,550 on your mortgage. As far as your debt ratio allowed is about 43%. So on this same example, 5,000 gross income, you will be able to spend up to $2,150 on all your debt. So that is the FHA loan. You will pay PMI on this one because of the low down payment. The third one is the VA loans. This one is basically for our veterans, and we do appreciate your service and we salute you for it. And thank you for serving this country. And so you get the GI Bill, basically give you the VA guarantee amount, which as far as how much you can borrow on it, you can borrow up to 4 times for it. As far as the required debt ratio, you're looking about 41%. Using the same example, you're looking at a $5,000 income. You can spend up to $2,050 on your max debt as far as all your credit card and the mortgage. So those are the 3 options that I just wanted to talk to you briefly about it. But we will go in depth as far as the requirements and everything it takes to be able to qualify for those loans. I'm here to create that difference. I'm here to help you have the right information to be able to start building generational wealth. Buying a home is basically, a home has a potential to appreciate. It's not like buying a vehicle that depreciates. So you would have an opportunity to build generational wealth. And that is what I want. That's the kind of impact I want to have. I want you to say that Sam Limo gave me the roadmap to be able to know how much house I can afford, how much I can spend, how to prepare yourself for down payment. We will talk about all that. But today, I just want to let you know that I'm your guy, and I'm here to help you achieve or buy your American dream. I can tell you this, based on what had happened in 2007, there's so many regulations out there to protect you as a consumer, which basically, it puts us, the professionals, to have a fiduciary relationship with you, which means that we will champion your needs. We will give you the loyalty. There will be complete transparency in terms of the financing that you get, and also full disclosures in terms of the type of houses you're going to be buying. So you're protected and you can shop with confidence. We are an equal opportunity company. So there would be zero tolerance on any discrimination. And we're here to serve you with a smile, with professionalism, with focus, and to deliver the results that you need based on your goals. So this is Sam Limo, your new DFW realtor, and I'm here to make a difference in building generational wealth. Sign up and be the first one to step up and say, it starts with you to build generational wealth for your family. So below this video, you will see the information about our brokerage services. You will see the details of my license. You will see the details of my sponsoring broker and access to be able to a website to be able to see the available houses. You can also call me. My phone number is 214-498-4942. And I welcome you to watch the next video, because this channel will be here to help you understand your roadmap or create a more roadmap towards buying a new vehicle. I look forward to serving you, and it will be my pleasure to give you those keys to your new home. Thank you, and be blessed.